Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create automated replies in Intercom in 2026. First, log in to your Intercom account. Go to Settings in the left menu, then click on Automated Messages. This is where all your automated replies are managed. Click New Message. To get started, you'll see several options. For automated replies, choose Custom Bot or Inbox Rules. If you pick Custom Bot, give it a name like Welcome Message. Set a trigger, such as when a visitor starts a conversation. Then add your automated reply text. You can also schedule it to run only outside business hours. If you pick Inbox Rules, go to Settings, then Inbox Rules, and click New Rule. Choose a trigger like when a message contains the word refund. Set the action to send a reply, type your response, and save. Once your automated reply is set up, toggle it to live. Your customers will now get instant responses without waiting, and that's it. Now, you know how to create automated replies in Intercom. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.